Okay, here we are showing our latest GUI design using Crestron's Mobile Pro G app and iPad. So what you're looking at here is just our audio-video source page. So we select our audio-video button. We can choose any room in the house. So in this case, we've selected family room video. We choose a source, TiVo 1, and our DM HDMI system distributes that signal to our TV in another room, and we get our TiVo video. To change source, we can go back and choose iPod, or we can choose Blu-ray, and that's our basic audio-video control. Okay, next we're going to show you our Dyntheme, which is our theme chooser. I'll just back up to our source page here, and down here, if I hit Dyntheme, we get our Dyntheme menu. I can say stained glass, soft earth, orange tech, smooth silver. We've got a mountain scene. We've got carbon fiber. We've got different color carbon fiber. Let's go back to our soft earth and. Alright, that's Dyntheme. Okay, now we're going to show you how we navigate through all of our different subsystems. We have a top bar here that basically goes through and gives us a place to select each of the subsystems throughout the house. We've built this third page here for whatever systems they may add. So we've got lighting, audio, video, climate, security, shades, and then home view. So in this case, we'll go ahead and show you, how about we show you climate. So we'll hit climate, master bedroom, and here's our climate page for the master bedroom. I can go to a scheduler, and I can choose a schedule, set up our heat and cool set points so it runs efficiently and saves our client some money. And go back to our control page, and if I want to change a different thermostat, I can just hit my family room now, and it updates and tells us it's the family room, and here's the controls for that device. And that's our basic HVAC control. Okay, next we'll show you our basic security page. In this case, we're doing a couple different methods of security communication. This is our keypad emulation, so this is exactly what you see on the keypad on the wall when you walk up to it, the security keypad. So here we can just type our username and our passcode and arm the system, or do our panic features, and that's our basic security integration. Okay, here we're going to show you our home view page. I'm just going to go and change my background again. Let's go smooth silver, and we'll go to home view, and we'll go to security, and this is our floor planning here. You can see some sensors going off now. Actually, that's upstairs, so people are moving around up there. You can see the red sensors. Those indicate security faults, so those doors or windows are open right now. We can select them and then bypass them for quick arming. If we don't feel like going around and closing those windows. You'll see here there's a legend that shows you what each of the markings on the plan represents, from smoke detectors to glass break sensors to motion sensors, and then showing whether the systems or the contacts are secure or bypassed. So we can choose the floor we want, and just basically see what sensors are going off and what's not secure. It's a good way to globally check the status of everything in your home from a security standpoint. Okay, now we're going to show you our audio-video home view floor plan. So right now we can see everything is actually off. So if I wanted to, let's see, we're in the basement, and I can select the theater, and I can select iPod, and now we can see that iPod is on in the theater. If I change it to Blu-ray, then the icon changes. So same thing as the security. We can view what every room in the house is doing via floor plan and know what sources are in use. You can see down here we mark what sources are in use. And so it's a nice, easy way to again, globally view the audio-video status of the home. Okay, and this is our HVAC home view. So you can see here as we change from heat to cool to auto, our little indicator changes. And again, there's a legend here that tells us what each of these colors mean. And so I can see that the main area there is blue, so that means it's cooling. The master suite is off because I just turned it off. If I turn it to heat, it turns to heat. If I turn it to cool, which is where it was, it goes back to blue. Same sort of scenario. You select the area and quick adjust set points and globally view the temperatures throughout your home. Okay, next we want to show you our lighting home view pages. So I'll select home view, I'll select lighting. Here's our floor plan. So right now we're in the kitchen, so if I select the kitchen area and press kitchen scene 1, the lights will come on, and once they're on we'll see some lighting feedback in the zone that indicates that the lights are on in that room. So I can say, master sitting, scene on, and you can see the indicator lights up for that zone. If I turn it off, it'll go off. If I go to kitchen and then hit kitchen off, once the lights dim down and they're at 0%, we'll get that feedback from the lighting system and then de-illuminate our indicator. And go down to the basement, so you can see down here, downstairs, there's quite a few lights on right now. Theater, turn that off, and we'll watch that illuminator go out here in a second. There it goes. So you just select the area, choose the scenes that you want, outdoor lights. As soon as you select the zone, we have our options for that area here on the bottom. That's our lighting home view. Okay, next we're going to show you our audio-video grouping, or audio-video scenes. So if I hit my audio-video button up top and hit audio scenes, it goes to a menu here where the user can configure 4 different scenes. We've configured a couple test scenes. Test 2, test entertain. I'm going to go ahead and hit edit properties. I can go to my scene name and I can change the name and store. I'm not going to. I'm just going to cancel out. Rooms, we can choose which rooms we want in the scene. Just selecting a room or deselecting it will include it or uninclude it from the scene. And then volume, we can set all of our volume levels for whatever levels we want them to be. You can see here we have gauges on iPad, which aren't yet supported. Well, we've done it via animations to keep the designs consistent with the rest of the panels in Crestron's lineup. They all support gauges. iPad doesn't yet, so we're trying to make sure that these designs kind of flow seamlessly between iPad and Crestron branded touch panel. I'm going to back out. Now if I choose my scene, I get a source page. I can say TiVo. So now what we've done is we've now sent TiVo to all those zones at that volume level. We're in a basement and we set a scene upstairs so we can't hear it right now. But once the scene's launched, if I hit volume up or down, it gives us this volume page where we can adjust those levels more, which those levels will be stored to memory and recalled the next time the scene is launched. Or we can do group up and down volume. I cancel out of there. I can go back and change my source. I can say I want, Blu-ray or, whatever, iPod. Every time I change the source, it's it's applying to all the zones. So that's our home view. That's our group mode.